Hi, I'm Kitty Hiccups, and I'm here celebrating National Drag History Month. Welcome!
Most shocking secret that people don't know about the drag life?
That it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun, but it's a lot of work.
Are you tucked?
I am tucked.
Are you tucked in tape or just tucked?
Just tucked.
Just tucked. So you're kind of
That's
free
why I
balling.
wore that's why I wore one piece. Can you get it? Like, if you wear a one piece, you're a little more lenient. And I have a pocket here too, so I can kind of like stash things in my pocket.
What are you
Like
stashing?
my tuck.
There's lipstick on the mic.
There is.
Isn't that nasty?
Is it from me?